tweeting. Okay. Gary has to invite. Marami siyang shows.
Yeah, actually, can you help me out? Can you see what that is? Because I do
January 11
have January
tomorrow?
11. That's tomorrow. I'll be in LaSalle, Dasma. Oh, you guys are from
Kundirana
there?
concert.
Yeah, for the
Okay.
Kundirana concert, I'll be a very special guest of that concert.
January 15 naman at 4 p.m. Nasa Walang Hanggan Fans Day ka in Sky
that's
Dome.
right. Because we're coming up with isang napakagandang CD that has 4 or 5 songs na galing sa teleseryeng Walang Hanggan.
Okay, and then, you want to thank?
Oh yeah, I want to thank Essentials, Tony and Guy, Lee Jeans, Refill, La Lune de Paris, and Kills, and Bistro Group. I want to thank Converse, Carrera Eyewear, Watch Republic, Bello Medical Group, Studio V, M. Luelier Aficionado. That's it.
Okay, ikaw. Angeline. May
Ayan
show
po,
ka!
Angeline Quinto, Dream Tour po 2012. February 18 po nasa West High School Auditorium po ako.
Saan
February
yun?
19 sa Alaska po.
Babalik ka na naman ng Alaska?
Hindi po, ito po yung unang beses ko doon.
Ah, okay.
Yes
Sino man
po.
nag-Alaska?
Hindi
Kasi
ko
ang
po
daming
alam eh.
pinasalubong sa akin. Sila B-Boy. Oh,
Ah,
okay,
sila
anyway.
B-Boy.
Oh, go.
Sa
Okay.
February 19 po, nasa Juno Centennial Hall po ako. Sa
Tapos ito na, this January 14.
January 14 po, nasa Sinulog Waterfront Hotel and Casino po ako, Lahug, Cebu. Tickets po, 032-233-0445.
Bongga mga guests mo.
Yes po.
Sino?
Sila Khalil Ramos, Jovit Baldivino, si Richard Poon, at syempre po si Mr. Piolo Pascual.
Iba ka! At mag-thank you ka na.
Maraming
Dr. Vicky
salamat
Bello.
po. Dr. Vicky Bello, thank you po. Sir Pepsi Herrera, Sir Frederick Policarpio, Wade Shoes, David Salon, at syempre po Alaska. Miss Chris, thank you.
May milk ka na rin ngayon?
Yes po.
Ay, bongga! Kahit magkalaban tayo, good for you. Okay. Wait, happy birthday sa mommy ni Cinch, si Tita Lotta Faustina. Happy birthday po sa inyo. You said lang, I just have to, they're cutting me, but I'm gonna make it fast, and you make it fast. Even with no courtship, and even with, as you said nga, it was a mistake, it was wrong when it started, what has kept you together in 28 years?
Well, Jesus and the Word of God. I think the Lord has really kept us together. Love and forgiveness.
Love and forgiveness. Gary, ikaw?
Ako, it's something that we are constantly trying to practice, and that is to forget the past. Kung ano yung mga pagkakamali noon. Because like a pastor friend of mine said the other day, there is no future in the past.
Sino
So
yung
you-
pastor na yan?
His name is Pastor Gus Leasing, and he was in a wedding, conducting a wedding. Sabi niya dun sa dalawa, please, if there will be some mistakes made, but do not dwell on them. Learn from the mistake, but then look forward, because there is no future in the past. Diba? So
Tama.
that's what I try and practice all the time.
Did the two of you write Sana Maulit Muli together?
Yes.
Yes, he
I
did.
wrote the music,
And I wrote
then
the
she
lyrics.
wrote the
Okay, so
lyrics
you
in
sing it
Tagalog.
for us. Let's end it with that.
Oh, wow.
Kayong
Sama ulit.
Kanta ka na rin, ikaw naman. Oo. Or si Angeline ang sasabay?
Yes.
Go!
Sana maulit muli ang mga oras natin nakaraan. Bakit nagkaganito? Naglaho nga ba ang pag-ibig mo?
Sana maulit muli. Sana'y bigyan ng pansin ang ibig ko. Kahapon, bukas, ngayon. Tanging wala nang ibang mahal.
Kung kaya kong iwan,
Sana asa pa.
kaya kong
Iwas na. Sana lalapit pa.
kaya mo
Sana.
That's it?
Beautiful! We are gonna be back for even 1 minute. Dito lang yan sa Chris TV. Thank you at nakabalik tayo. Walang hanggan kasi. Pang ilan mo na yan for Deo? Have you lost track, Gary?
Yeah, I've actually, maybe fourth or fifth.
Let's...
Ulit-muli.
Sana maulit-muli was
Maulit-muli.
the first one.
Tayong dalawa. Kung tayo magkakalayo,
Minsan lang kita
iibigin. So, fifth.
Fifth.
This is the fifth talaga. And you played all the instruments.
Well, for this one, yes. For Sana Maulit-Muli and for...
Because?
Wala. Feeling ko kasi gusto ko talagang... Nahirapan ako actually, Chris, kasi iba yung chord progression ng original na song. Medyo... For me, it was dated. Yung pang 70s ba?
Okay,
Bagay
so-
doon.
so
what
ginawa
I did
mo-
was, iniba ko ng yung chords, tapos inisip ko, this is a teleserye, and this has Richard Gomez and Don Zulueta. Ay, sabi ko, and then Coco Martin pa. Sabi ko, kailangan, sige, ako na lang gagawa. Tapos yun, ito yung lumabas.
Nung nandito kasi si Richard at si Don, alalang-alala kong sinabi nila na sa kanila daw, the reason that they have stayed married because both of them feel that separation or ending the marriage is not an option. Sa inyong dalawa, did you ever reach a point that you thought, baka this was the end?
I think many times. I think all couples go through that na, you know, you're so parang frustrated. Kasi ibang-iba kami, opposites kami ni Gary eh.
So what made you stay? Bakit niyo sinabing, we'll work on this and make it work?
Well, first is, we love each other and we surround ourselves with counselors, pastors, na accountable kami. Kinagagalitan si Gary, kung mali siya, kinagagalitan ako. So, yun ang importante, na may accountability ka sa isang, person.
Thank you so much for being here. I'm sorry, wala na talagang time. I wanted to ask you this, but when you come back, that's when you're gonna answer that. Gaano kadalas pa ba ang passion sa inyong dalawa? Gary, sagutin mo na ngayon. Oo.
Hindi, wala lang oras eh.
Thank you so much.
Happy birthday again to Sharon. We love you.
Happy birthday, of course, yes, to the megastar Sharon Cuneta. Uy,
Yeah.
nag-happy birthday ka ba sa kanya? Okay, so see you all again tomorrow. Love po for the rest of the day. See you on Chris TV.